Hey guys, subscribe our channel Tech Explorer and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an amazing video.
Hello friends, welcome to Tech Explorer. In this video we are going to show you how you can download any IEEE paper for absolutely free. So now let's explore it. There's a website called sci-hub.tw using which you can download any IEEE paper for absolutely free. So there are two methods using which you can download the paper from this website. Now let's see which are those methods. So friends, if you find this video helpful and if you want more videos like this, please do like, comment, share, and most important, don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Explorer for more videos like this. Now goodbye and thanks for watching this video.